This time I have opening of Temu boxes I got for my computer. It's more for like cleaning, because I don't have it. I was cleaning like inside of my computer with papers. They're full of dust. So I have Shenzhen air compressor, not bad. This was not wrapped up, only this. The cable. What? USB-C. In the back. I don't know if I need to recharge or not. Damn. Like 4. This is what the menu. What the hell is this? Chinese, German, English. 9 degrees. They have 4 gears of power. Okay, this works. I turn off. I don't know. I turn off. Bro, what? It's full recharge. I just click and just like on and off. Where you gone? Okay. This, let me see. All the things to clean up. Tight spaces. This is literally for the keyboard. And I need it for the keyboard because my is a little dirty. No. Have a screwdriver also. Oh, how much was the compressor? Was $20. I have a screwdriver. Was like what? 16. And open it. Same piece. $16. Why so tight? What? Doesn't come off. Doesn't. I don't want to rip everything like that. Nice case. Not really nice case. Like what? It's an electric screwdriver. USB-C also. Sorry, boxes, like what the hell? Accessories. What the hell is that? This is more like for phones, computers. Open. Rechargers. Only screwdriver that I use was my father's. Oh, backwards in front of it. Just click on these two buttons. I don't know if you can see. I need to move my hands. This is usually what I wanted. A switch. Let's see how long it is. I never tried that. The switch is what? €2, $2. To click, like imagine you enter inside your bedroom and you don't need to go to the computer to activate on. But how far it is, that's the question. That's the pins to put on the motherboard, the power switch. The backup. I don't know if you can see it. Power switch and the LEDs. It's like if you don't want, if you're sitting, you just want to turn off. It's literally my arm, like. $1 meter. There's a switch. Then when I put on the board, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna put it out. Maybe one of the cases, the metal, where's the GPU is. Take one of them metals. Imagine, I'm here, just clicking here and turn off or on for $2. It's a little like, yeah, a little lazy. I don't know. But for like 2 or 3 meters would be better. What, 1 meter, yeah. Clothes, microfiber from the computer. And this, I really need this. Also, a cloth microfiber to not scratch your monitor. And because this is literally for VR, I'll be honest. It's like 69 cents. Like what? Because when I'm playing VR, I'm sweating a hell. Then it's like I'm cleaning with my t-shirt or something in the middle. Let me see the VR. I don't know if you can see the lens. The problem is I'm cleaning the lens and it's scratching, because that's why I this cloth microfiber just to clean it. It's the same like people use glasses also. Thermal paste. It's like 3 years. I didn't change my thermal paste on my CPU. I just clean like the dust. The last time I cleaned the dust, but not intensive, like December, I think, like 6 months. I got like 2 thermal pastes. Something feels me like not buy it on Temu, but everything comes from China, let's be honest. But and this